Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear brothers and sisters. Let's pause and reflect. How many of us know someone who was with us last Ramadan but is no longer here to witness this Ramadan? Tomorrow is not promised to anyone, nor is the arrival of another Ramadan. Ramadan, the month of generosity and seeking blessings for the Akhirah, is upon us. The Prophet ﷺ taught us the best charity is that given in the month of Ramadan. This is why we should seize this blessed opportunity and give generously to obtain the multiplied reward of this sacred month. Alhamdulillah, you can now set up an automated donation for each day of the month of Ramadan with Green Lane Masjid. This ensures you don't miss out an opportunity to earn ajr, and especially during the last 10 nights of the month of Ramadan to maximize the reward of Laylatul Qadr. How it works? First and foremost, decide on your contribution now. Set your daily donations and finalize your transaction. Automate your Ramadan Sadaqah today to earn ajr each day and make the most of the blessed month of Ramadan, inshaAllah.